Harvey F. Strauss, Esquire, former co-executive director, Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania. To many people in Montgomery County, Harvey Strauss is legal aid. It is fair to say that if it were not for Harvey Strauss, the level of access to justice in Montgomery County might not exist. Harvey dedicated his legal career to serving the poor and vulnerable among us. After graduating from New York University and Boston University School of Law, he had brief stints at the Legal Aid Society of Oneida County in New York and the Legal Aid Society of Philadelphia before joining Montgomery County Legal Aid Service in 1976. The fledgling legal aid program had recently been formed by members of the Montgomery Bar Association and supported 3 employees, a director, staff attorney, and secretary. Harvey served as the staff attorney for 2 years. When new federal funding from the Legal Services Corporation was obtained, Harvey was promoted to lead the organization as it grew and expanded service. For the following 37 years, Harvey led Montgomery County Legal Aid and co-directed its successor program, Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania, through good times and bad. The late 70s and very early 80s were a time of rapid expansion. Montgomery County's legal aid staff grew and client service expanded. Then, just as suddenly, federal funding for legal services was drastically cut. Within a short time, an office was closed, several staff laid off, and services consolidated into 2 remaining offices in Norristown and Pottstown. Harvey worked diligently to diversify funding, build a cadre of skilled, experienced advocates, develop a pro bono program, and open outreach sites. In the process, he established the program's reputation for excellence and integrity in the legal community. A new challenge arose in 1997. This time, LSC proposed to fund legal services in Montgomery County through a private law firm, providing telephone advice to clients in need of legal aid in Montgomery and Delaware counties. Harvey successfully mobilized supporters to fight this decision. The private law firm withdrew its bid, and funding to legal aid was restored. Just as the program was recovering, Harvey faced another enormous challenge. LSC threatened to fund services through an out-of-county program unless it agreed to merge with other county legal aid programs in the region. After much consideration, Harvey and his board recognized that the best interests of clients in Montgomery County lay in retaining LSC funding by consolidating the 4 county programs surrounding Philadelphia. As a result, Harvey became one of the 2 directors, with Liz Fritsch, chosen to lead the newly formed Legal Aid of Southeastern Pennsylvania, a position he held until his 2013 retirement. Harvey's forthright leadership style, his humility, and his dedication to legal services and to clients are unmatched. These qualities, coupled with his wit and sense of humor, are an integral part of his leadership style, and they have come together to show how a program can not only survive, but flourish. At his core, Harvey Strauss is about helping people, no matter who they may be: clients, staff, members of the private bar, and colleagues in other legal services programs. As he sails off into retirement, the Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network is pleased to recognize Harvey Strauss for his leadership and excellence in providing civil legal aid to the poor with the 2014 Plan Excellence Award.